Another purchase from Wish. Can't help myself. I wanted to get myself a little outdoor stove, and this thing was wow. This was advertised quite impressively. A Lixada little stove. They said it was solid stainless steel. I think it's polished aluminium personally, but hey, it's too light to be stainless steel. Came in a nice little case, which is way too big for it. You could actually fold it over and still have enough room. Very generous, thank you, Wish seller that advertised this. Oh, there's the ad, by the way, on the side there. Anyway, I've had a couple of goes at trying to put this together. You actually have to really know what you're doing before you start with this, because it is so difficult to get right. It's hilarious. Now, if you're in a survival situation, you ain't eating for a while. First, you got to catch your food. Then you got to try to put this together before you can cook it. And like I say, I've had some attempts at this. It is really, it's a nightmare. And I don't understand what, you wouldn't use it for a survival situation. You'd use it with fuel blocks. Hang on, try that again. See where I'm going with it. Oh, it's caught. Why are you doing this to me? Oh. If you hear a beep, you can only imagine what I've just said. Okay, no one breathe. Oh. And the other beauty thing, you can drop this from the top. Let's see if that'll work. Oh, I missed this one. Wow, done. So like I said, if you had a fuel source, like a fuel brick, or some spirits, methylated spirits, something like that, you could possibly make this work in a normal situation. You can put your pot or pan on the top of that, and you can cook. Now, some of the advertisers, I'll show you some of the other ads for similar products, and they have fry pans that are this big, cut down to here, to make it look like this is that big. And this is one of the issues I have with Wish and some of the other dropship companies. Their deception and the disreputable nature of the sellers is really quite concerning. I would have thought that they wouldn't want a reputation like that, but apparently they don't care. They just want your money, and they will deceive you or try to deceive you to get it out of you. Very concerning. But anyway, I'm not even going to bother to try this in the field, because I can't do much with this. Look, there's holes in the bottom. I would rather get some rocks or dig a little hole and make a fire in a bit larger area that I can control. I can't control the fire here if this is going to fall apart. Like I said, for a block, a fuel block, putting that in there, that could work quite well. I haven't used one of those in years, since I was in the Air Force and doing field exercises. Notice lots of people are doing cooking in their videos, and that's fantastic. And I love to see people enjoying cooking, enjoying what they're eating. And I think I need to, just like the camera bag video, I think I need to follow a trend here. It's nice to see that, so I think I'll do it as well. I think I'll come back with some footage on cooking, possibly with this, possibly not. But anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.